Unit 2 Bahmani Adil Shahs continues part 2. Its founder was Alauddin Hassan Gangu Bahman Shah. Bahman Shah was working in the army of Delhi Sultan Muhammad bin Tughlaq. It is established in 1347 CE. And the famous king was Tajuddin Firoz Shah after Muhammad Gawan. All credit of the making Bahmani dynasty great goes to Muhammad Gawan. And Tajuddin Firoz Shah also one of them. Bahmani Adil Shahs Part 2. Shah dynasty. After Muhammad Gawan, Bahmani kingdom did not continue its rule strongly. The sultans who came to power after Muhammad III were incompetent to rule after Muhammad III. Muhammad came to power, but he was a little boy and could not rule the kingdom. The last king was Sultan Halimullah Shah. After his death, Bahmani kingdom was broken into 5 states of Shahi. It's broken what? 5 states of Shahis. Five states of Shahi. First one, Adil Shah of Bijapur or Vijaypur. Right now its name was the changed. Bijapur name changed as a Vijaypur. Second one, Baris Shah of Bidar. Third one, Qutub Shah of Golconda. Fourth one, Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar. Fifth one, Imad Shah of Berar. After, in that first one, Adil Shah of Bijapur, 1489 C to 1668 86 C. In that first one, Yusuf Adil Shah. After second one, Ismail Adil Shah, Ibrahim Adil Shah, Ali Adil Shah 1, Ibrahim Adil Shah 2. He is the famous king in this Adil Shah of Bijapur. Muhammad Adil Shah after him, after Ali Adil Shah 2, Sikandar Adil Shah. Yusuf Adil Khan was the founder of Adil Shah dynasty of Vijaypur. He was a good administrator and tolerant towards other religions. After him, Ibrahim Adil Shah too came to power. Ibrahim Adil Shah II, 1580 C to 1626 C. Ibrahim Adil Shah the second was the great king among Bijapur sultans. Kingdom was expanded and became rich during his period. He had a title called Jagadguru Basha. He was tolerant of other religions. That's why he got. He sheltered many Hindu philosophers, poets, and musicians in his court. He renovated Datta temples in his fort and encouraged puja rituals. He worked for the cultural harmony of Hindu Muslim. He wrote a book called Kitabe Navaras and tried to make his music popular among Muslims. The book begins with worshipping the gods like Ganapati, these are others. He himself great musician. Ibrahim Roza, which is famous for its architecture, was built by him. Ibrahim Roza, one of the architecture, it is telling South Indians Taj Mahal. South India Taj Mahal. Look at the picture, you can understand this famous monument of the Ibrahim Roza. Very beautiful architecture built it. It is South Indian Taj Mahal also calling. It is telling one of the South Indian Taj Mahal. After Adil Shah of Vijapur, Baris Shah of second this one, the Shahi Khandan, when the Bahmani state was scattered into many provinces, Baris Shah ruled Deccan, Bidar and other regions around it. Baris Shah of Bidar 1489 CE to 1619 CE. After him, Ibrahim and his brother Qasim, who ruled Bidar, were incompetent kings, and because of their inner inflicts, this dynasty declined. Then Ibrahim Adil Shah of Bijapur captured Bidar. Who is Ibrahim Adil Shah? Bijapur captured the Bidar, Baris Shah capital. Like this, Baris Shah kingdom was merged into Ibrahim's Bijapur state. The Baris Shah Bidar is declined, dynasty is declined. Because of the conflict of the two brothers, Qasim and the third one, Qutub Shah of Golconda 1512 to 1687 CE. The founder of this Kulli Qutub Shah, the independent Golconda state, he ruled the state with good administration in 1543. He was killed by his own son. Ibrahim is the Qutub Shah of Golconda, one of the king. His administration and office is good. During his ruling, he made Golconda a beautiful city. He changed his capital from Golconda to Hyderabad in 1589 CE. After him, Abdul Qutub Shah, Abdul Hassan, and others came to power, but they are incompetent kings. Later, Golconda surrendered to the Mughals. Golconda surrendered to the Mughals. Fourth one, Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar 1419 to 1636 CE. In 1490 CE, Malik Ahmad, who was the chief of Junnar Province, his own state Ahmednagar, and established Nizam Shah dynasty. Who is established this one? Malik Ahmad. He took Daulatabad under his control and expanded empire. After him, Burhan Hussain, Nizam Shah, Murtazas where came. With the death of Chand Bibi, Ahmednagar will be declined. And later in 1637 CE, during the period of Shah Jahan, Mughal king, Ahmednagar was merged into the Mughal state. This one also Shah, Nizam Shah will be also merged in Mughal state. The four are completed. Last one is Imad Shah of Berar. Imad Shah of Berar 1490 to 1580 CE. After the fall of Bahmani kingdom, 5 Sultan states came to exist. The Imad Shah dynasty, Berar is one of among them. In that, Fatahullah founded this dynasty. It was situated between Penganga and of Varada Tapati to north of Bidar in 1490. Fatahullah had a title called Imadul Mulk. After his death in 1504 CE, his son Alauddin Imad Shah came to the power. He is having a what title? It is so important title, Imadul Haq. He is the capital also Ilchpur capital. After he was an incompetent king, his son, after him, his son, the Imad Shah dynasty will be completed. The contribution of Adil Shahs. Later, Berar dynasty fell into the hand of Vijaypur Sultans. The contribution of Adil Shahs. During the region of 200 years, Adil Shahs of Bijapur contributed a lot to the fields of education, literature, music, fine arts and sculpture. It is so important. South, almost Karnataka, the North Karnataka, the contribution of Adil Shahs are two more. Education. Adil Shah were great lover of education and they encouraged it. Their education policy was to develop Islamic culture. Maktab and madrasa were the education center. Philosophy, religion, law, poetry, and other subjects were taught. Education institutions were under king of patronage. After literature. The contribution of Adil Shah to the literature is very prominent. Literature came rich in their period because kings were poets themselves. Many books were written in Persian, Arabic, Urdu, and Kannada languages. Persian poet Ferista, Tariq Ferista, and Gulshan Ibrahim. Urdu poet Abdul As Ibrahim Nama and Nasratis Ali Nama. Kannada poet Narahari of Torve. He is written Torve Ramayana. Music. Yusuf Adil Shah and Ibrahim Adil Shah too were great musicians. Ibrahim Adil Shah's work Kitabe Nawaras was the great work in music. He opened a music school. Women of royal and rich families were interested in music in their periods. Ibrahim too was a fine artist. His court had many Persian artists, beautiful painting of flowers, plants, creeper, and other nature scenes were painted on their houses, walls of mosques and floors. These paintings help to know expression interpret is of the tradition of the people. Art and sculpture. In the history of art and sculpture of Karnataka, the building of Adil Shahs of Bijapur are the important ones. They built forts, places, mosques, and tombs. Their monuments are in Indo-Islamic style. These monuments, whatever they done, these are Indo-Islamic. Fort. The fort of Vijaypur is a big one and it has a 96 base. The dome which are built on fort is 6 main entrances. How many entrances? 6 main entrances having these fort. Next one is Gagan Mahal. In 1620 CE, Ibrahim Adil Shah built it. It has 3-storied towers. Not only Gagan Mahal, so many mahals also they are built it in that Mehetar Mahal. It is also a 3-storied palace. Ibrahim Adil Shah too built it. It is a famous for its fine and delicate decoration. Not only Mehetar Mahal, and in Asar Mahal, rooms have different painting painted on them. Mehetar Mahal also and Asar Mahal also is one of good in Asar Mahal also having in Vijaypur. Jamia Masjid. Jama Masjid Adil Shah built it. It famous for its very wide prayer hall. It is a common building without any decoration. It has a different new style among other art monument. It is also in Bijapur. Ibrahim Roza, already I explained. Ibrahim Adil Shah too built it. The memory of his wife, this one Taj Begum, his wife in Vijaypur. It is called as Taj Mahal of South India. Which one? Ibrahim Roza is called Taj Mahal of South India. The mosque and tomb are built in elevated platform and garden around them a compound wall around it. This is called Rosa. Gol Gumbaz, Muhammad decided to build something that is even bigger than greater than Rosa. He built at Gol Gumbaz a domed tomb in 1656 CE in Vijaypur. It is the fourth largest dome in the world and the first largest dome in India. That much large it is having. And the period of 1656 means near about 400 years coming. The Gumbaz is so big. Malike Maidan Firangi Vijaypur. This is the cane they are using in the war, big cane. Other important monuments Bara Kaman, Bade Kaman, Anand Mahal, Upli Buruj, Taj Baudi, Chand Baudi, and other monuments are important ones. The great gift in Karnataka, the Bahmani Adil Shah's given so many monuments on them. I think you are understand this unit. We are completed part 1 and part 2. Subscribe my video for next unit. Thank you. Jazakallah khairah.